I seriously want you to record this and so that we can show it to the other students who are missing this class. Yesterday I spent, about an hour to prepare this activity. I hope it goes very well. The next topic which we are going to start today is heat, right? First of all, I would like to understand the difference heat and temperature. Temperature is the measure of hotness or coldness of an object. ठीक है? Heat is actually energy, and heat energy flows from higher temperature, means a region where is high heat, to the lower temperature. That is the way where heat flows. Okay? It will not flow in any other direction. Now the flow of heat occurs in three ways. Fine. One is conduction, second is convection, and the third is radiation. So what I've planned today is that we are going to have a practical demonstration of how does it happen in all three of them, right? So tomorrow we are going to discuss the applications. In real life, how do we do? Yes, Pranav, it's a fire activity. I want you all to be in the kitchen just to have a feel and see the objects around you. That is the whole process. If somebody cannot manage it, perfectly okay, not a problem. I'm going to do everything for you. So here we go. The first thing here. Okay, in conduction, let me tell you the brief of these three first. Conduction activity basically takes place where we have solid items. Okay, solids make conduction takes place. How does it take place now? So molecules hain, all the atoms are made, all the things are made up of molecules. The molecules, they vibrate. So when the molecules vibrate, they collide. जब उनका collision होता है, they push the molecules next to it. Then they start vibrating. फिर उसके आगे के molecules start vibrating. And this is the heat is conducted throughout the vessel or the item. Okay. No, Tejal, it's okay if you don't have, not a problem. So उसमें क्या है? This is called as conduction, which takes place in solid. So next is convection. Convection takes place in liquid and in gases where the molecules themselves move. Got it? When you have studied the structure, tomorrow I'll show you on the board. When we discuss the structure of atoms, आपने पढ़ा होगा, atoms in a solid are tightly packed. ठीक है? एकदम से जुड़े होते हैं एक दूसरे के साथ. Atoms in liquid are loosely packed, and atoms in your gases are extremely far away from each other, right? So this is the concept on which this process of heat works. So here I go. Let me show you now practically how does it happen. I hope you all can see the gas.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So here I'm gonna show you. Give me a minute. And here, I'll just push it here closer. Okay, so this gas is going to be a source of heat for us today. No, I will not suggest any one of you to do it right now. That may be dangerous. So please, I want your parents to be in front of you. So here, I hope you all can see the lit burner here. Here I have prepared something special for you all. This is a rod on which I have put some coins. And if you see, I have attached these coins with the help of wax. And you all have studied when we melted camel, अपनी candle जब जलाई थी, when we burnt candle, हमने candle में what did we do? Yatharth, what did we do?
Yes, ma'am.
What did we discuss when we did activity with candle?
Ma'am, when the wax is burnt and
the wax melts.
Burning of candle is
the wax melts, and melting of wax is what? Physical or chemical change?
And physical change.
Melting of wax is what? Physical or chemical change?
Ma'am, burning of candle.
So here we are going to see something. This is a physical. You all can see it clearly. I'm going to heat this end of this rod. Okay? And then you will see what. How does heat transfer? I'm going to put the camera a little closer to this. Just have a look. I will not shift it. Okay. So I'm not going to shift the position. I'm just heating this end. I'm just heating this end. And see closely what's happening. This is the process of conduction. Here goes the first coin. Can you see it turning? Here goes the first coin and it's turned. The heat is traveling from one end to the other. I can see the shiny surface of the rod in the next going, it's reaching. Here goes, it dropped down. Now the heat is traveling towards the second one. The rod is being heated. Can you see the slight movement? How this coin is turning, Prasid? Here it has turned completely down. And now the wax is melting. Just have a closer look at the second. This is how the wax is melting. This is how the heat is transferring from one end to the other. Second coin has dropped down. Now just see the shiny surface. There is no shine between coin third and fourth, but you can see some shine before that. So that means this is the wax which is now melting. Here goes the third coin. Here goes the third coin. Just have a look. I'm not moving the rod. Third has dropped down. Look at the wax which is melting. The wax which is melting because of the heat. I have not shown this rod anywhere. It is just near the burner place where I started. And here the third coin dropped down. And this is how the conduction is. And now it will go to the fourth one. Right, children? See, the wax has all melted down. Now the rod is being heated just at the closer edge of the fourth one. Right? Just see what is happening to the fourth one. And we can see the shine of the wax here. This wax has also gone down and turned the fourth. My hand can feel the heat. Even my hand can feel the heat. Yes, it's melting, correct. It's melting. And now after some time, this is how conduction takes place. It slowly reaches from one end to the other. And that is why we people just see it is all, it's about to fall. It's about to fall. And my hand can't bear it now. It's hot. It's hot. See, look at it. It's almost melted. It's going to fall down. And here it goes. Just see it dripping and down. Now it's hot enough that even my hand cannot bear it. This is what the process of conduction is, how it takes place in solids, that the molecule, nothing at all. It is just inside that one thing gets heated and then it goes to the other edge, right? So any queries regarding conduction? Then I'll share something else with you. Please lower your hands if there is no query. Yes, Lavanya?
No, ma'am, I was going to lower my hand.
Lavanya. All right, fine. Aaron, any query? Have you understood this concept?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Okay, Daman, any query, beta? Daman? Gupesh?
No, ma'am.
I hope you have understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let's see one more thing. You just saw conduction happening here. I'll show you one more thing
Yes,
here.
ma'am.
This was made of aluminium, so it could burn. See, look at it. It has that darker shade now because it has burned this much. If I'll place it more, it will be blackish completely, right? So now, will the same thing happen if I take Vishal? I am going to explain something else. Yes, yes. Now let's see what happens. I've again switched on the burner. Here I go. This is a paper roll. Will it conduct heat? Manoj, look here, please. Don't do yourself. These are risky.
Yes, yes,
Will
ma'am.
it conduct heat? Now let's see what happens.
Yes, ma'am.
When I am burning this, it has caught fire. Will it conduct heat? Will the heat transfer from one end to other?
No, ma'am.
It's the fire which is going to transfer from end to the, isn't it? So paper
Yes.
is a bad conductor of heat. What is paper? What is paper?
Bad conductor. Bad conductor.
Bad conductor of heat. That is why the things like, let me try with one more thing. Here I have an ice cream stick. Ice cream stick is made of what? Tell me.
Wood.
What is this? Answer me in chat. Wood. Yes, it's wood.
Wood.
I would like some of mute so that I can have an interactive session. Oh yes, I've got plenty of answers in the chat box. Very good, children. So here we go. Gupesh is unmute. Sukhman, if you can be unmute. Arush, unmute yourself. Ritima Thakur, unmute yourself. Okay? Iti, unmute yourself. Better keep yourself unmuted so that you can respond me in between. Are you all unmute?
Yes.
Ritima, Iti. All right. So here we go, children. This is wood. What will happen with wood? Will it conduct heat like the aluminium rod did? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
All right. Let's see. Here I
Ma'am,
put
it
it in
will
the
burn.
fire. Is it going to conduct heat? Itself, it has caught
No, ma'am, it
fire.
will burn.
ये खुद जल गया, just like this paper. क्या हुआ इन दोनों? So our paper and heat, this wood, good conductors of heat. क्या ये heat
No,
conduct
ma'am.
कर रहे हैं?
No, ma'am.
Yes, very
No,
good.
ma'am.
After this, what is this now? What is this?
Ma'am, it's a refill of a pen.
And it's made up of? Made up of what?
Plastic.
Yes, very good, children. It's plastic. Now
Plastic.
again, if I use plastic, क्या होगा? What will happen to this plastic? Have a
Ma'am, it
look.
will melt.
Yes, it
It
will
will
melt.
melt.
It is not going to conduct heat. So that is how we can conclude that. How is it melting? Can you all see it?
Yes, ma'am.
This is how the plastic melts. So now, that is why children, when we have these objects, wood, plastic, paper, these things cannot conduct heat and they are known as bad conductors, or we have another name for it. What is that? Very good,
Insulators.
children. That
Insulator.
is insulator. Yes, yes, I've got answers in the chat box. Ria is doing it practically. Also excited today. Right, children. So these things are known as insulators. They cannot conduct heat. Now let me show you one more thing. How does it happen again? Now this is what? A pan.
A pan.
This is also made up of aluminium. Okay? Now, if I'll put some water in this pan, you look at the handle. The idea was to be in the kitchen is, look at the kitchen. You will find this kind of covering, this kind of coating in most of आपके pans में होगा. Okay, Shaurya, give me 2 minutes. It will be in your तवा जिसमें हम रोटी पकाते हैं. It can be in your other this deep frying pans or in your non-stick. सब पे ये plastic handle. This is a coating. Different type of metals are used here. These metals heat. So यहाँ से जो गर्मी है, it will not pass on to this portion जहाँ से हमने इसको पकड़ना होता है. In your activity for today is to find out some items in the kitchen. Have this kind of a handle which will not catch. There I go. I have put it on the flame now. And this is something very exciting for you all today. Just keep an eye. Okay, children. So here I come. Okay, I have put this here. Just have a look. It's empty right now. And now I'm adding. What is water? Tell me, solid, liquid or gas?
Liquid.
Okay, water is liquid.
Liquid.
Now this water is getting
Liquid, ma'am.
Now the water is getting heated here. Just have a look. It is getting heated here. Keep watching this. Now, here again, we're going to have some little magic. Science is all about logic and little magic. Okay, so now just look at this water. And I would like to just show you. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I would like to show you from here. I hope you all can see this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I'm going to put a little color. Just watch it, because in liquids, the process is slightly different. In liquids, what happens? The molecules actually travel. Solid में क्या था? Molecules were vibrating, है ना?
Yes.
And liquid में क्या है? The molecules are traveling. That's what we are going to see. Here I'm going to put this little food color to it. Just have a look. It's a pinch of red food color. And just look at the water. How long does it take to change its color? How does this red color spreads on? I would like you all, Yatharth, wait a minute. I would like you all to watch it very carefully. And this is how it happens in liquids. I have dropped it. Just see. Just see. I'm not taking it. I'm not changing it. Look at it. This is how convection takes place. And why I have color? Because in plain water, you cannot see this happening. So now the colored water, just see how slowly it's going on, spreading in the container. The whole water you will see has turned red. Just see, it's still at the bottom. It's still at the bottom. So what happens? The molecules at the bottom are going to get heated first, and then it is going to spread upwards, and after some time, whole of the water will be turning red. This is how convection takes place. Children, I would like you all to listen to it carefully and understand the concept. Yes, beta. Soni, it will be conducted in liquids. Same thing will happen in milk. Same thing will happen in our blood. जैसे हम दवाई खाते हैं, when we eat some medicine, तो क्या होता है? Molecules, वो medicine कैसे हमारी body में travel करती है? It is the same function. ठीक है, वो हमारी blood में mix होती है, and then it travels in the whole body. So what happens is, in liquid and gases, the molecules travel. Just see, it's still there at the bottom. Can you see all? It is still there at the bottom. The drop of powder which I dipped in it, it is still there in the bottom, and it's going on. Nilesh, I'll take all the queries in just 2 minutes. Let me finish with this concept. Here, I hope you all have understood this. It's still there, and look at the color of the water now. This is how it means the whole water's temperature has changed. Now if I'll touch it, it's hot. That means pani garam ho gaya hai. What happens? What is the process? At the bottom, it gets heated, and then it travels to the top. और ठंडा पानी जो है वो नीचे चला जाता है, गर्म पानी ऊपर आ जाता है. Same thing we have done in land breeze and sea breeze, if you remember. The hot air goes up,
Yes, ma'am.
and cool air takes its place. I hope it's clear to everyone. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, children. So
Yes,
after
ma'am.
this convection, we have one more thing to do. Now I would like you to switch on the gas burner. If you have your parents at home, only then do it. Switch on your gas burners quickly, but be safe. Don't hurt yourself. I don't want any complaint that Shweta ma'am has hurt some child online. So please don't do that. Be careful with yourself. You are mature enough to switch on your burners, isn't it? Okay, children. So here we go. I have put it down. Now try to feel the heat. Can you all feel the heat from a distance? Yes or no? Manoj, yes. Can you do it, Manoj? Yes, Lavanya is saying yes, she can. Manoj is showing me thumbs up. Yatharth, show me your thumbs up, all of you who can do it, because I can't unmute everyone. Samya, Shaurya is in the kitchen. Very good, Shaurya, show me. Can you feel the heat from a distance? Yes, Shaurya's thumbs up. Rishita's thumbs up. Very dull, children. Yatharth has done it. Excellent, Yatharth. Very good, Tripti. Very nice, children. Yes, Vaibhav, Riya. So this is what? Now tell me. This is the third. Yes, Soni, correct. This is the radiation. Gupesh can do it. Harman can do it. Riya can do it. Pulkit, Nilesh. Very well done, children. Priyanshu, Devyani. Excellent, my dear. Tejal, Yuvraj. Very well done. Prachi can see it. Daman, Shrishti. Very nice, children. Very well done. So you all can see it, all can feel it. This is the third one technique that is known as radiation, right? This one is radiation. When you can feel it here, this is radiation, right? So same thing. I can give you one more example here for our, let me just pour this water, and I would like to show you one more thing of convection. Tomorrow you're going to give me some examples from life. Okay? Practical life में where do we use convection, where do we use radiation, ये आपने मुझे कल बताना है. Examples for yourself. Here I have put some water again. And what is this?
Green tea.
Green tea. So I'm gonna pour this green tea packet, open it, and put it inside. What will happen? If I'll put this green tea bag here in this water, what is gonna happen? Who will tell me? I have not put it yet. Let me ask someone. Yatharth wants to say something. Manoj is all set. Yes, Yatharth?
Ma'am, I think
Yatharth, I can't hear you clearly.
when the
Okay.
heat will
Aryan, can
break
you
the
tell me what
plastic
will
bag.
happen?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Can you tell me what will happen with this tea bag?
When the tea bag, all the tea inside it will spread
Hmm.
in the water.
Okay, and the color?
Color will change.
The color will change.
Very good, children. So here I would like to show you, this also is an example of convection. Just have a look. Here it goes. And just see what happens to it. It will also spread in some seconds. Because as I told you, the water at the bottom is cold. When it will become hot, only then this color is going to spread. Otherwise, this color is not going to spread. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
When you will put it in boiling water, it will happen quickly. It will happen faster because water is evenly heated. But right now, I've just switched on the pan. So just see, it is going to spread. If you can see the color change, can you around the bag?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
The color change around the bag?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Shaurya?
Ma'am, I have to tell that, ma'am. Can you have John from two wares, one from laptop, one from that phone, and I'm showing from phone my that in kitchen because
Okay.
laptop from laptop I can't show in kitchen. That is why.
Fine.
Can I
Fine,
show
beta.
you?
Yes, I will see that.
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute.
Children, just have a look at this convection. I hope you all can see the color change happening. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
This is how convection takes place. The molecules are moving. Can you see the small droplets here inside? Bubbles coming up
Can you see it?
when the water is boiling?
Yes, ma'am. And the color is some
The
yellowish.
molecules of water are moving. This is the movement of the water, movement of the molecules. This is known as convection, right? Yes, Shaurya?
Ma'am, my second ID is Shaurya. Ma'am, from
Okay,
second.
let's
where
come
I'm
to
from.
Shaurya's screen. He wants to show something. Yes, Shaurya.
Ma'am, I'm showing.
Very nice.
Ma'am, I'm showing.
Okay, show me.
It's something yellow, orangish.
Yes, Shaurya, explain the
Ma'am,
process,
it's nice.
please. What is it? Tell me. Explain it.
Ma'am, in boiled water we have a food color, red color.
Okay. And what has happened? Beta, please
What
don't
is-
think about the food color and the tea bag and the wax and the coins. Understand the concept. It says that in conduction takes place in solids, and in solids, molecules collide. वो vibrate करते हैं and then they collide with each other and then the heat transfers to the other. जैसे अभी एक pan रखा है मैंने गैस पे. So this pan is another example. This pan is made up of aluminium. It can take, we have steel. हमारे पास vessels होते हैं different materials. So this can conduct heat. मैंने इसको गैस पे रखा है. It can conduct heat and heat has transferred.
Ma'am, the color is changing now.
मैं लैपटॉप को
That is why these materials are. हम पेपर का पैन क्यों नहीं बना लेते? Because that will burn itself. हम कपड़े का पैन क्यों नहीं बना लेते? Itself. This is what you need to understand. We have two types of items. Just look at it now. The whole water has turned brownish, and here is the tea bag. It has turned the whole water brownish. So this is how convection takes place, and you need to see life.
Ma'am, I
There are
can't
many
see because
processes
my
where
home only,
conduction takes
this
place. Radiation takes place. When we take examples of surroundings, that is what I find science. Otherwise, there's no use of doing science. Homes, we have ventilators. All of you must be having ventilators. होते हैं ventilators? Like this. I'll just show you one. Yo. ये ventilators ऊपर क्यों होते हैं? Why can't be there at the bottom? Because जो foul air होती है घर में, जो गंदी हवा होती है, what is it? It is warmer. जब हम breath लेते हैं, हमारी सांस कैसी होती है? गर्म. So that air rises up. When it rises up, cool air from the door and the windows enter the sun. So ये गर्म हवा, it goes up. और ऊपर अगर ventilator होगा, so it will be out of the room. Got it? So this is what you need to understand. In your kitchen, please make a list of at least 5 items. ठीक है, जो आप मुझे बताओगे, these metals conductor of, इसमें हम खाना बना सकते हैं. What is the metal of your pressure cooker? And tell me the answers tomorrow. What are the items where kitchen? आपको कल वो items लेकर आनी है to show me, from which we can have conduction, from not the ones which I've shown you. You are going to don't bring the same activities. Get something else, but you will just have to right. So tomorrow we are going to cover
How many
all the
examples?
topics by tomorrow. So Tuesday we are all set to have a assessment test of this chapter, and we are going to have some practical examples from life. How do we affect in our day-to-day life? Got it? So let me take up some. Yes, Vaibhav wants to say something. Yes, beta. Vaibhav, you're on mute. Manoj,
Ma'am,
Tanisha.
Ma'am, I have doubt.
Yes, what's the doubt, Yatharth?
Excuse me, ma'am. What was that? Aluminum rod. What was circular chips?
Yatharth, there is some connectivity issue. I can't hear your voice. If you can just message me, I'll be able to read that.
how did the color change?
Yeah, the color changed because the tea bag had that color. Food color had that color. आप हल्दी डालोगे तो हो जाएगा. If you will put blue color, सारा पानी blue हो जाएगा. Changed because of that color which we have used. One thing, convection takes place. Molecules travel. आपको ये समझाने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ that in solid, the molecules, in liquid and gases, the molecules travel. Whereas in solid, molecules are tightly packed from one place to another, so there is no real movement of but yes, it vibrates.
Ma'am, the molecules mix up.
Yes, beta, what are you saying?
Ma'am, the molecules mix up.
मॉलिक्यूल्स मूव, नीचे के जो मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं, पानी के जो लोअर मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं, जहां से हम हीट they will become hot and then they will move upwards, और जो ऊपर का will go down, फिर वो गर्म हो जाएगा, will go upwards. See constant bubbling in the water when it boils. टी कैसे बॉईल करेगी? ऊपर से नीचे, नीचे से ऊपर,
Thank you, ma'am.
everything is evenly